Your brain generates enough electrical power to light a small LED bulb. Surprisingly, the brain itself feels no pain, which is why brain surgery can be performed on awake patients. Despite making up only 2% of your body weight, your brain consumes 20% of your body's oxygen and calories. During REM sleep, your brain is actually more active than when you're awake, often processing vivid dreams. Your short-term memory can only hold about 7 pieces of information for roughly 20 to 30 seconds without rehearsal. The average human brain processes an astounding 6,000 unique thoughts every single day. Neuroplasticity allows your brain to constantly rewire itself, creating new connections and even new neurons throughout your entire life. Your brain weighs about 3 pounds. Yet it's the most complex known structure in the universe. Believe it or not, yawning actually helps cool down your brain when it gets too hot. Your brain stores an incredible amount of information, estimated to be equivalent to 2.5 petabytes. That's 3 million hours of TV shows,